So in question 2, it's going to read, Adam conducted a survey and found that 10 people, or 40% of those surveyed, identified spring as their favorite season. How many people in total did Adam survey? We'll use the percent equation to solve this problem. If you remember, the percent equation is part equals percent times the whole amount. In order to use the percent equation, we have to identify what's the part, what's the percent, and what's the whole. Well, let's start off and let's look at the part. Adam conducted a survey that found 10 people, or 40% of those surveyed. Now the 10 people is not the total amount, it's a partial amount, meaning 10 is going to represent our partial amount. For our percent, well, it gives us 40%, that's going to be our percent. For our whole, we actually don't know what the whole amount is. It's going to ask us how many people in total, the whole amount, did Adam survey. That's going to be where our variable x goes. So we have our part, our percent, and we know the variable is going to represent the whole amount. Now we're ready to solve. 10 equals the percent, and be very careful here. Remember, we have to express the percent as a decimal. Yes, it's 40%. In the percent equation, we have to express that percent as a decimal. 0.4, 4/10, or you can do 0.40, 40 hundredths. Last but not least, times the whole amount, which we don't know what it is, x. We're going to solve now for x. I'm going to divide each side of my equation by 0.4. And when we divide each side of our equation by 0.4, we end up with x on the right side equals 25. That tells us there was a total of 25 people surveyed.